Hi there, my name is Nadernejad. I'm the director of Nadernejad Media, a public relations firm specializing in online reputation management. It's not typical that I record a video on my phone, but my camera is just out of batteries. When you shoot video content all day, it happens and you want to keep going and you don't want to delay, so we roll right into it. In today's video, we're going to be talking about press releases for online reputation management. This is a piece for people inside the industry or people who are knowledgeable. It's more of an advanced piece. The people who want to fix their online reputations. And they're asking, I've had a comment on this channel already, should I use press releases for online reputation management? Will they help me? And my answer is yes. If you're looking at a suppression strategy in online reputation management and you want to bury content on the web, press releases are some of the most powerful things you can use. Now, if you're beginner stage, you've not heard of press releases, or you're just new to this industry. Press releases are a way to get information out to news outlets and the media. We create them to communicate messages that are significant, interesting, and new about a company that we want to be public facing. It could be about an individual, it can be about a company, it can be about a group, it doesn't matter. But the goal is to write up a press release, to write up the release, and then to send it to news outlets or use a PR wire that can syndicate your press release onto different outlets and different sites. And using sites like Fiverr.com or Freelancer.com or official PR wire sites, you can pay a small subscription fee and then have your news articles syndicated. Well, you can have your press releases syndicated across Asia, across the US, there are lots of companies that offer this service. They have in with these publishers and they can do that for you. And people are wondering, the main channel is the main question on this channel was, if I use press releases, can I use those to suppress negative content, that content for the press release? My answer is yes. In fact, they're some of the best. They are almost the number ones. And the reason for that is that press releases get to bank off, they piggyback off of sites that are like the Associated Press or Bloomberg. Bloomberg is another one that will do press releases, or some other larger sites like Fox that just allow you to post press releases. You can't get a news article on there unless you know the journalist or you find a newsworthy angle, but they're going to be, some of these outlets, most of them, are going to try to be objective about it. So if you're doing this for the sake of promotion, do a good thing, put the good thing in the press release, and then syndicate the press release to piggyback off those larger sites. And press releases will work much better. So that's my answer. If you have any questions or anything was foggy in the video, or if I can do anything to clarify, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'd be more than happy to help out. Anyway, my name's Nadernejad. I really appreciate you. And if you have any questions about your online reputation, please feel free to drop me an email or send me a message, either on WhatsApp or our website. Anyway, take care, and we'll see you soon.